Hello, today I explored Napkin AI. Can it really turn text into stunning visuals or not? Creating diagrams, presentation, infographics usually takes a lot of time. We have to think about layouts, icons, colors, and design. But what if there is an AI that could take your plain text and instantly convert it into professional looking visuals? So today we are exploring Napkin AI to see whether it actually lives up to its hype or not. Let's first sign in. So after signing in, we can notice there are two main ways to get started, either visuals that can turn any text into visual or slides that can build a full presentation. Let's first go with the option one, which is visuals, turn any text into visual. They are now here. We can see three options: by pasting my text, by describing my idea, by importing a file. We will explore each and every features present on our screen right now. Let's first go with the first one, by pasting any text. I have already prepared some text. Now let's copy and paste it. So what's happening here is that AI is reading the content, identifying the key ideas and grouping related information and deciding the best visual structure automatically. So here are the few suggestions given by AI. We can choose any one of these visuals. Let's go with the first one. Now we can choose the color. There are different colors. Let's go with the first one. So this is how our plain text converted into this professional stunning looking visual. This is quite impressive. The text given above was about the key benefits and challenges of AI. And we can see here it divided in visuals. We can see the pros and cons of AI, which is quite impressive. Now here we can change the color, we can change the font, size, or we can swap branding or sync with text. We can, if we like the generated image, we can just export visual by Control plus P and save the image in our system. Now, let's go with the other feature, explore other feature. Let's go with new napkin, visuals. Now let's go with the second option, which is describing my idea. So now just we can just type that create an infographic planning how AI agents works. That's it. No article, no formatting, just a simple prompt. Let's see what it generates. Here we can see that AI understands the concept and creates an entirely new visuals from scratch and entirely new content. This feature is especially useful when we are brainstorming or planning a presentation. Now let's go with the generate visuals icon. So here we got the visuals of the content given above. We can see how impressive this is. It's take the single statement prompt, then converted it to a whole content of its own understanding, and then it converted into a professional, stunning looking visuals. As we can see how to design an AI agent, its perception, action, decision making is quite informative and impressive for an AI to do. Without any hassle, this created a visuals for us. We can just use it. It's quite useful when we are presentable for a presentation, for our reports, for our brainstorming ideas. And here also we can change the color, font, size, swap layouts, and many others. And we can also export of the visual by exporting visual icon. Now let's go with the other feature by importing a file. Let's go with this. Browse. Let's give a file. Let's go with this MD file. Let's see how it works. Processing the file. So it generated the whole content of the file. Now let's just generate visuals for this. So this is the visual that I generated for this paragraph of the document. So this is quite useful if we are creating a report. As we know in colleges we are asked to make reports for different presentation and subjects. So we can just upload our reports and then ask the Napkin AI to generate the flow chart or workflow for the particular paragraph in the report. Now let's go with generate and let's go with this. Now it's generating visual for this particular paragraphs. Here we can see it generated clearly, very impressive. Now this makes our task really easy for us. It's as we know, it's so much hassle to create a workflow or chart flow for a report of a particular paragraph. Just we can give it now. We can upload it in Napkin AI. It can create a workflow for us. It's quite impressive. Now let's go with the last feature, which is slides. Now we have to create a presentation. We'll just copy and paste something. Let's go with this idea, like create a. So I'm just giving the prompt, how many slides it have to create, what is the topic, and what it should includes in all the 8 slides. Now let's see how it works. So it's asking, this is a great breakdown for 8 slides. Who is the primary audience for the presentation? Let's go with business leaders. Draft, draft from research. Build it. Now it's thinking and building the presentation. So it automatically creates multiple slides with headings, organized content, and professional design. So we have to choose any one of these. Now let's go with the second one. So no, what Napkin AI is doing, it's just collecting information from us, how many slides we want, what are the topics we want to include in our presentation, and also asking us about our aesthetic of the presentation. And now then it will just build the presentation according to our aesthetic, according to our choice, what we want. Now let's see what's generated. So here's the first slide. We have to pick the rest for me. Okay, let now just since it's the first slide, let's first pick the first one only. Let's see. It's asking for the second. No, I can just go for the with the option like pick the rest for me. Now it will automatically pick the rest of the slides for me, aligning with our aesthetic representations. Now, so it's generating the slides. Fifth one, 6 slides. Now here's the last slide. So now it's asking me the presentation is ready. How would you like to proceed? I would like to add visual effects more. So here are the few options. Let's go with realistic. So now it's going to apply the realistic effect for adding visuals in each slide or particular slide for now. Now it's preparing the visual effect. This is taking a few seconds. Let's see how it's going to generate. Okay. So as we can see, there is drastic change between these slides earlier or previous to this slide and this realistic slides when we added the realistic effects. So now he's asking me that here's a realistic applied for the rest of the deck. We can apply for the rest of the deck. Now let's go with the apply to all slides. Let's see, since it's our free plan, so there are limited tokens. Let's see how far it's going to generate the realistic effects for how many slides. Stripping the visual effect. Let's see how it goes. Okay. It's generating for the second slide. Let's see. As I mentioned earlier, we have only the free plan and we have used all the free air kits. Let's see how far it has created the realistic effects. Oh, so there is a drastic change between the earlier slide and the slide we are seeing right now. Here we can see the realistic effects. It's quite impressive. So it has only generated for the first two slides and the one slide in between. This one, this one. This is quite impressive as we can see it automatically creates multiple slides with headings, organized content, and a professional design. Obviously, it doesn't mean to replace PowerPoint completely, but it's excellent first draft that can save a lot of preparation time. Since we all of us don't subscribe the Napkin AI, we have the free tokens. So we can just completely take the first draft which is generated by the Napkin AI, which was also quite impressive from just an idea. We can just use Control and P and export this PPT, or we can just add visuals in one or two slides. So overall, I think overall, I think Napkin AI is really useful, productive tool. It's not trying to replace PowerPoint or Canva. Instead, it helps you to get from ideas to visuals much faster. Like if you're a student, educator, consultant, business professional, or a content creator, this tool can save you a lot of time. Now, if you have tried it before, let me know your experience. And if you haven't, it's definitely worth checking out. Thank you.